So there has been a recent incident yesterday in Sokoto where the Nigerian Air Force was said to have launched an attack. And the Sokoto state government has reacted that some victims lost their lives. So what can you say about that?
Well, so if you listen to my speech, I made that clear, that we have individuals that still harbor those people. And then once you do that, you make yourself a legitimate target. And our appeal is, please do not allow them hang around you. Do not give them any support in whatever means. Because once you do that, you make yourself a legitimate target. The incident that happened yesterday, we are pleased with. It was an operation we conducted. We followed up and ensured that we avoided mistakes as much as possible. If there were other mistakes that came up, we are going to investigate and see. But I can tell you from what we have seen, because we have the videos, the videos of everything that happened, there were criminals in that place. Anybody that toyed with them was part of them. And so we'll continue to do our operation into North. Like I said again, we want to appeal to media. Please always understand that also those guys want to use the media to send their own message across. And that's why it's dangerous not to just agree to whatever it is they are saying. We have been transparent since we have come on board. Everything that's happened, we look at it and we'll tell you the truth. Anything we don't know, we will find out and get back to you. But I can assure you, we'll continue with the work we're doing. It will not relent. We will avoid civilian casualties as long as even they too avoid staying where the criminals are. Because it makes the job extremely very difficult if we say wherever they are with the criminals, then we should avoid. I think that's one. But we want to appeal to, if you are not with them, please leave their area and come out, so that it gives us the ability to deal with them.